going on? It's your girl, Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Y'all know I have been on the hunt for some realistic edges. Y'all can't even really tell they there, but baby, they there. They there. They there. Now you're gonna have to ignore this little piece because I put the wig on after I did my makeup, and I couldn't get that to lay down. But I could cut it off, but I don't want to cut it off because it looks so natural. Let me show you. You see how it make the wig look just so natural to come down right here? So when I put this wig on without y'all, I ain't gonna have on no makeup, okay? That just makes it look natural, but I can still hide it. I can hide it for today because I'm not taking this baby off today. This is so pretty. Look at them edges. Girl, you can even, that's nice. That's nice. Now I need to tone down that little, sticky stuff and, ignore the little gray hair that you can see sticking out through there. But this hair is everything. Everything. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs about this unit, you gotta watch the video, y'all. Now, this unit comes beautifully packaged. I haven't ordered a wig from HairVIVI in about maybe 5 years. I think 2017, 2018, something like that. I had ordered 2 units and I loved them. But it was so many new companies coming out with wigs, I got on it. But anyway, in this thing you get, okay, thank you for purchasing. I think you're welcome. Thank you for this beautiful hair. HairVIVI probably won't see this video, but I'm just saying, y'all, what was I wasting money on? But anyway, they included the receipt. And all the ways I ordered, I never got the receipt and description of what I ordered. They put a little thank you card in my box, y'all. And then they had instructions, and I was like, okay, all right. And then they say if you take a picture, a post, something about the wig, you get $30 off your next wig. So y'all know I'm gonna be doing that, which I'm doing now. I was gonna do this anyway as soon as I got it. Yeah, I am just excited. And then they put some tape strips in the box. True scalp tape strips, which I've never seen, but the unit I have don't really need them because it's got a fake scalp. But for future wigs, I can see it. I can see it. And y'all, the fake scalp on this wig is so realistic, and it goes so far back. It just makes the whole wig look good. The texture of the hair. Oh yeah, and they put a extra band. If you don't want the thick band in there, you can replace it with a small thin band, and those bands have real metal clips. Y'all, that bag, that bag is like, it's got to be real silk or satin. It's got to be satin, silk or satin. It feels so good. Y'all know we got to store our wigs, and baby, this wig, girl, it is beautiful. It is so beautiful, down to the details of how to care for the hair, what to do for the hair. HairVIVI, okay, I'm sorry I left you guys. Please accept my apology for not, checking in with y'all while I was doing all those other wigs. Baby, look at this hairline on this wig. This hairline is everything. Girl, it's everything. Look at that. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it's got the most natural little bitty baby hairs around the front that I have seen. A lot of companies have attempted to do this, but y'all, HairVIVI has mastered it, okay? That's the little fake scalp on the inside, which I don't know how they perfected the shade of that scalp, but baby, they got it to a T. To a T. And look at them little baby hairs. You can't even hardly see that they hair. It's the edges. It's a natural edge wig. That's what Her Majesty is. And you can barely see the little naps around there. And yeah, that's the tag. If you decide to order this wig or a wig, it says don't take off the tag if you need to return it. So I read that real quick a couple times. But baby, this won't be going nowhere. She gonna be right here with me on a daily, okay? So anyway, if y'all want to get into this, and check out this unit with me, baby, girl. Now let's get to it. Let's just get to it. I'm done talking. Let's just do the do, y'all. Whew, I can't contain myself. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, and I used my Makeup by Mario palette. I mean my Makeup by Mario. I lied. I want to get that palette. My Patrick Ta palette today. If anybody wondered, y'all see this? I knew this palette would be the perfect nude. And if I want to step it up and make it night, because I love my glitter shadows, I can just pop some glitter on top of this, y'all. If you missed out on getting this palette, I'm sorry. It's still there. You just have to pay the whole $70. Okay, let's get to the wig. Okay guys, let's get into this wig. Y'all, the bag, oh my god, I believe this may be actually satin. I don't know. I keep the bags to store my wigs in, but y'all hear how kind of crunchy this is? This one is, you know, semi-soft. They just, but this is like satin, y'all. And no, I haven't stored my wigs. They just kind of everywhere. And yeah, but look, this, y'all, this came with the wig. If you don't want to put and it's got metal. Y'all hear that? You ain't got to worry about it stretching out or bending out. It's got metal on it. If you want to change out the band, thick band, but it's thin band, you can just pull them out. And the one on there has metal. Girl, I'm just telling y'all about the stuff that I'm excited about first. And then they sent me a little thank you card for my order. Y'all, this is not a paid. I have truly been searching for the best edgy wig because my edges are thin and gray and I don't want them to be shown. So, but yeah, and even it's got a instruction booklet. Y'all probably saw that in the video to show you how to take care of your wigs. And then this is some that I have not seen. They sent me 2 strips of Create Bionic Scalp Effect. Yeah, so I'm assuming you could just put these inside your wigs. But for this wig, I don't need them. I guess this is to say, hey, if you need these, order them from us. But I've never seen these. But I will definitely try them in other wigs that I have. Now for the wig. Yeah, I ain't took my tag off yet because I've been waiting to share with you guys and to make sure that I love it. So my tag's still on there. And it says here clearly, if you got to return the wig, please return it with the tag on it. And I'm sure, you know, I'm assuming that's why if you want to get your money back. But y'all, this wig has a scalp sewn into it, so I don't really need a cap. And the band is thick with the little stretchy things on it. A wide comb. Y'all, I am excited about this wig. And it's the edges for me. You know, I've been looking for an edge wig. Y'all can barely see them, but they there. Let alone the melt, you know, let alone the bleach, because it's been bleached. But you see the little bitty naps that's gonna look, I feel like, gonna look so freaking realistic. I am excited about this wig, if you can't tell. So we're gonna just put this baby on and see what she hit for. Okay, I already, this my little cap is, you know, to mash my little nappy hair down. I put this on while I was doing my makeup and I pulled it up in my little wraparound band so I wouldn't put makeup where the wig is going. See, now that's just wrong. Y'all weren't supposed to see all that. Let me fix that. There we go. Well, hell, I can't hide it. But see, my edges just don't do right. They inappropriate. So, anyway. That's why I'm on a search for edge wig. Anyway, let's just pop her on and see how she fits. This video is for anybody else like me that's been looking for a wig. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off because this wig is so beneficial already. I'm cool with it. Okay, let's just put this wig on, y'all, and see what we looking like with the lace and everything on. Oh, that's a little tight. My head a little bit bigger than that. Let me adjust that scrap. Okay, now here we go. Girl, I'm already getting that feeling, myself feeling, and I just put it on my head. Let's see. Oh, ooh, ooh, girl. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Look at that. Can y'all see that? It's supposed to be able to be worn glueless. Girl. Okay, let me get y'all out my gum. Hold on. This is cute. This is so natural looking. Oh my goodness. I had not ordered a wig from them in years. At least 5 years. Because there's so many sites coming out with wigs. And I was trying them all, but I forgot about HairVIVI. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. I got these curlers up here. I was going to put some bumps. But yeah, this is just pretty. Okay. All right. Let me get the lace off. And y'all, I love this. I love this. Look at them edges. Okay, let me get the lace off. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and melt this down. Let me go get my spray. What? 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 Look at them little baby hairs. Y'all see them? Wow. Wow. And my little gray hair is peeking through. Girl, get out of here. Get out. Stop. I caught myself putting a few bumps in it to get a little twist. Girl, this is some natural looking hair. I ain't putting no powder on that part. Wow. Wow. I think I got my nappy baby hairs. I got makeup on my face so my little stick ain't sticking that good around the edges, but I don't care. This is beautiful. This is beautifully natural. This is so natural looking. I caught myself putting a few bumps, but I'm probably gonna need to put some spray in it. Y'all, this is so natural. I need to take some water and dab around my little nappy edges. I just can't believe them edges. Or the scalp. It matches perfectly. Perfectly. And I ain't had to do nothing to it. Girl, I feel like Farrah Fawcett. What you talking about? Oh. When? Oh yeah, of course. I can do that. Me? Oh, yes. Yeah, yes. Girl, let me turn around and let y'all see the back so I quit acting a darn fool in here. Cause this is too much. This is just too I can't handle it. I don't know how to act. I'm losing all my principalities. Let me turn around. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh. Y'all, this is cute. Yes, this is so cute and so natural. Oh my goodness. And I put the little, flares right here to make it look like I had rollers, but that's on me. I humped them wrong. Y'all, this is doing it. This is doing it. Can y'all see that hairline? Don't look at the little white stuff. Now, I got to get that out. I put too much hairspray, but it's them little edges that I'm talking about. Can I tell you how realistic and natural they are? Okay, I done held y'all up long enough. I'm finna stop this video right now. I will put I'll go find a link for HairVIVI in this unit. Majesty, Her Majesty, Her Majesty. Girl, this look like what a natural, black girls have long hair too, baby. But with this kind of hair and they got a fresh perm, this looks and feels exactly like that. Okay, this is me. This is me from now on. If y'all see me without this wig, I'm wrong. Now, I do go through a lot of wigs, but I think I'm going to be wearing this one for a minute. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I done talked y'all to death. I'm finna get off here and go get me something to eat. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Minus, my bad curling, but girl, this is it. This hair is everything. And I ain't did nothing to it. I just ran the curlers through it trying to get it, a little more flat, but I want it to be flat natural. This is cute. Okay, I'm talking again. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, y'all.